Ever tried cooking dinner for four in a tiny air fryer and ended up making three separate batches? Or preheating your full-size oven just to cook one pizza? That's wasted time, wasted energy, and honestly, just frustrating. Today we're talking about the Kismile 25-quart air fryer toaster oven combo, and this one is built specifically for families and anyone who needs real capacity without taking over the entire kitchen. If you've outgrown your small basket-style air fryer, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Right away, the design stands out. It has a stainless steel exterior that looks clean and modern on the counter. Not bulky, not cheap looking. It feels sturdy, and the door has a solid close to it. Inside, you get a cold rolled steel interior with no coating, no BPA, and no PFAS. That means you're not cooking on questionable non-stick materials. It's just solid metal built to handle high heat safely. For health-conscious families, that's a big plus. Now let's talk about size. This is a true 25-quart capacity. It fits a 12-inch pizza easily, a whole chicken, or enough food for 3 to 5 people in one go. If you meal prep or cook family dinners regularly, the extra space makes a huge difference. No more cooking in batches. The control system is simple and beginner-friendly. You get a full digital display with 12 preset modes: air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, reheat, and more. It's mostly touch-based with knob adjustments, so you can quickly fine-tune temperature and time. Even if you've never used a convection oven before, this doesn't feel intimidating performance-wise. It runs on a 1,750-watt heating system, which means it heats up quickly and cooks evenly. The adjustable temperature range from 70 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you flexibility, from dehydrating snacks at low temps to crisping up wings at high heat. Because it uses convection airflow, you get crispy textures with up to 85% less oil compared to deep frying. In everyday terms, crunchy fries, juicy chicken, evenly browned toast without soaking everything in oil. Speed and efficiency are strong here. It preheats much faster than a traditional oven and uses less energy for smaller meals. That alone can save you time during busy weeknights. Noise level is typical for a convection-style unit. You'll hear the fan running, but it's not overwhelming or disruptive. Cleaning is straightforward. The crumb tray slides out easily, and since the interior doesn't have a delicate coating, you don't have to stress about scratching it. It also comes with a full accessory set: rack, air fryer basket, baking pan, and crumb tray, so you don't need to buy extras just to get started. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: large 25-quart capacity that actually fits family meals. Non-toxic, coating-free interior. Strong 1750W heating for fast cooking. Easy-to-use digital controls. Versatile 12-in-1 functionality. Comes with all essential accessories. Cons: it does take up more counter space than compact air fryers, so make sure you measure your area. And while it replaces multiple appliances, it's not as powerful as a full built-in oven for very large roasts or baking multiple trays at once. Who is this best for? Families of 3 to 5, meal preppers, and anyone upgrading from a small 4QT or 6QT air fryer. If you want one appliance to handle pizza night, roasted vegetables, toast, reheating leftovers, and air frying, all in one, this is a strong choice. Who should skip it? If you live alone and mostly cook small portions, this might feel oversized. A compact air fryer would take up less space and still meet your needs. Compared to other air fryer toaster ovens in this price range, many offer similar wattage and presets. But not all of them provide a coating-free metal interior, which gives this model an edge for people prioritizing durability and safer materials. Capacity-wise, 25-quart is also slightly larger than many standard combo units that hover around 23QT. So here's the final verdict. The Kismile 25-quart air fryer toaster oven combo is a practical, family-sized upgrade that balances power, versatility, and safer materials. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, spacious, and efficient. That if you're tired of cooking in batches and want one countertop appliance that can actually handle family dinners, check the link in the description to see the latest price. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.